Hello, class. Welcome to lesson one, CCMAS OOU-BIO 373, Cell and Molecular Biology. And today we'll be looking at history and present trends in cell biology as our lesson one. I hope you have a wonderful class with me. So what are we going to be looking at today? We'll be looking at actually the history of cell and then how the discovery of the cells um, was made, and then what are the contributions of these wonderful scientists to what you and I know today as cells, and of course, how did this cell study, boom, to what is known today as molecular biology. All right, a quick one into the journey of cell. And this wonderful man, remember the last class I told you that we are all a meal from ingredients, and these ingredients are the cells that we're talking about today. But there was nothing like cells, before 1665. The term cells was actually coined by a British scientist known as Robert Hooke, who made the discovery by, having a look at this tiny slice of cork under the microscope. What does this thing? What does it look like? It looked like little rooms under the microscope then, and sometimes the little rooms look like the honeycomb. If you have seen honeycomb before, honeycomb structures, where you have been to bee farm, and then it called this observation cells. And this, publication have been in existence for a very long time. It was able to publish the discovery in Micrographia the same year, 1665. And so from Robert Hooke, we have a lot of contributions from other scientists after the discovery of cells by Robert Hooke. This wonderful one, Anthony van Leeuwenhoek, further discovered protozoa and bacteria. We have further contributions from Robert Brown, who discovered the nucleus, the inner part of the cell. And of course, Albert went on to discover mitochondria, the powerhouse. And of course, Sledin and Schwann proposed the cell theory, which formed the basis of the principles of cell and molecular biology. And after that, the cell theory, we have the Evans and Kaufman, which went on to discover the stem cells, from mice that we're using right now in the present trends of molecular biology. And of course, the embryonic stem cell was further discovered from humans from the great discovery of James and Thomson. James and Thomson, rather. And then Golgi apparatus, cells have different components. So these different components were discovered by different scientists, and these scientists made wonderful contribution. And of course, the last but not the least, and several others are in place. But for the sake of this presentation, we have lastly Joseph Cavachot and Pelletier that discovered the green pigment. You can see the color, the chlorophyll. All right, let's move on. Those discoveries led to the explosion of cell and molecular biology, like I said in the previous slide. And in coming down from cells to the stem cells, it was a great contribution to the world of biology. And this led to other areas, how we're able to study the functions of cells, how they contributed to come together to form tissues, and of course, the connection between the matter and cells. I hope you enjoyed the class, and I'll be looking forward to your question and answer, and see you in the next class. Bye for now. Bye.